What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, we're continuing Day Trading University 1A. We'll be discussing automation today again, but this time with SPY. I had a perfect day on SPY here, guys, and I want to walk you through the automated trade as well as the Fibonacci. And I have a really special clip that I did today from our live trade that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, who do we have in the house? Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Candice, Hennick, Mike, Anthony, Trading Wars Army, Corey, Jay, Brian, Bill, Johnny, Hillbilly, Wesley, Terry, Briggs, Robert, Trading Wars Army, Janice, Sunrise, Nandy, Tyrone, Bill, Brandon, what's going on? Anthony, good to see you guys. All right. Let's get right into it. Okay. So today, guys, $1,187.69 on the Fibonacci play. What I want to do, guys, here is I want to start off and I just want to show you this video that we did here, okay? And there's no sound on it. I'm still working on the editing and stuff, but this is one of the Fibonacci trades. I'll explain the trade to you after, but I wanted to show you how your P&L can move in real time, okay? So what you'll see in this trade is at the beginning of this trade here, we're at minus $225. So actually, wait, let's do the replay first, because then when I do it, it's going to make more sense for you guys. Okay. So let's go to 9:30. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the fib. Okay. All right. So first 5-minute bar of the day. So you could see here, guys, that we had opened inside right here. We have this little inside bar, and then we start to push higher. So right off the bat there, guys, what direction is that? Is that a bullish direction or a bearish direction? Hit me with the 1 for bullish, 2 for bearish. And what we can see here very logically here, guys, is we started off with the low at the open and we went higher. So what do? The first thing we do, my friends, is we draw our Fibonacci from low to high like this, okay? I'm going to hop into the Discord, go to our Fibonacci channel, and I'll walk you through. So we got filled on that anchor. So this one is the pre-market right here. And then so here's our anchor, guys. Here we push up. Okay, go ahead, put our anchor up higher, and then here we come back in. Boom, boom. There's our fill. Okay, and then we're in this trade, and then we push up, come back down, and then finally we squeeze and make a new high. Okay, so if I show this to you right now, so you're gonna say, "Hey, Rich, that looks cool." Okay, understand that you made. Where's my money at? Go back to TW Dairy and find it. You say, "Hey, Rich, that looks cool." Okay, I understand. Took your trade, walked away with $1,187. That's cool. But have you guys ever wondered how does that feel in real time? How does that look in real time? Hit me with a 10 if you're ready for this. All right. So this right here, guys, what we're able to do is we took 1 hour of trading. So we started recording the computer here and the broker. We took 1 hour of trading and we condensed it into 51 seconds. Okay. So I'm going to walk you guys through that. So that's the same trade I just showed you. So watch the P&L right here. So starts off at minus 225. That's when we got filled. So watch. Okay. So I'll give you some commentary. So watch how the P&L is moving over here. Okay. So at this point here, guys, we're filled in the trade and we are just trusting the 618 process. We pop back up. You could see we're in a green for a little bit of time, and then we come back all the way down right after that. But we're sticking true to the system. We have our entry, our stop loss down here, and we're waiting until we can come back up here, guys, into this 272 extension. That's what we're waiting for here. So look how the P&L is moving here, guys. So this is what I mean about waiting for your risk to reward, trusting your system, trusting your targets. There's a lot of emotion that goes through this part right here, guys, right? You could see it right here in the corner. Oh, my overlay is covering it. You kidding me? Damn. My overlay is covering. Can you guys see it? Shit. Hold on. Let me zoom in like this. My bad. Okay. Can you guys see it now? It's right above the overlay. Hit me with a 2 if you can see it. All right. So just notice how the P&L is moving. Okay. Each one of these bars are 5-minute trades. Right. So just going through that emotional part of it is difficult. But following the system, following rules, following your risk to reward is all that matters. So you could see it on my Twitter, guys. It's posted on my Twitter. So I want to make this into a short so you guys can see it. But pretty awesome, the Fibonacci, and just seeing how many times, look how many times we come to that Fibonacci and we reject. So it uses it as a support, guys, and then finally we push up in there. And finally, at the end of the video, we get our targets there. Hit me with a 15 if you guys think this is pretty awesome. All right. So I think that's pretty cool. We're going to be trying to make some more videos around that. And just make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you guys hit the like button. All right. Because a lot of people would not do that. But I want to take things to another level. And I want to show you guys the reality of trading. Okay. All right. So there was our pullback here to the 618. Here was our trade to the extension. And then I'll just fast forward this, guys. What you will see is later on in the day, we had this afternoon leg. Here's our low. Here's our high. Again, we tagged the 618. So we had our stop loss down here for protection. So we didn't get stopped out. And then again, new high. And then that's when we kind of collapsed. So it was a tight range. But if you were playing, the Fibonacci, you were good. But if you were trying to get the breakout, look up here, guys, right? So the breakout chasers, this is where the breakout chasers are buying, right? They're buying here, they're hammering buy, because they're like, oh my God. So look at this. If you look at the chart like this, right? You're like, okay, market is going without me. Oh my God, it's going. So then this is where the rookies buy, and then this is what happens to them right after that. So always, guys, you want to use the fibs, okay? Even for the bear, I'll show you this. Even for the bear, if we take this all off here, we look at the bear. So let's zoom in on the top of this short, okay? Let's zoom in up here. Look at the price action that's happening here. If I take the Fibonacci right here from the high to the low, okay? So this one doesn't tag the 618. Come down here. Doesn't tag as well. So the bear, based on this price action, we double click here. We add the 50. The bear was greedy today, right? So the bear, what we can see from here, didn't even want to fill the 618. So a lot of the times when we can't even get back to the 618, it means that someone's really putting pressure on it, right? Because normally that you get at least a 618 pullback. So this one was really, really close. But it didn't get there. So that's kind of why you could see the bears were like, oh, all the rookies are buying up here. All right, let's hammer them. Okay, hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. So that was the Fibonacci trade. But the trade that I wanted to show you guys for this video right here is the automation part. Okay, so right now, hit me with the 4 if you have your study notes. So I'll show you where they are if you don't have them downloaded. Tradingwars.com, resources. And then just click here, Day Trading University Lesson 1 Automation. I'll send that to you guys right now. Right? Hit me with a 2 when you're there. So what I wanted to do today is talk about this automated trade on SPY that we took in the morning. All right. So on SPY, we use the automation today. And we use futures/shares, did not use options. Okay. So again, the main reason we want to do this type of trading is so that we can become fully automated and we don't have to stare at the chart all day and the broker can do the work. And let me show you how important it is to have automation. Okay. So here we go. So this is Friday's range. So we'll go ahead. We'll draw the previous day's low and the previous day's high. Okay. All right. So we'll go into the Discord. We'll look at our triggers. So we wanted to go long today at 4, 12, 10. So we'll go ahead and do that. And draw that in. Oh, that's the wrong one. It's this one right here, 4, 15, 49. So the point of this, guys, is I have a level. This is my bull level. So I'm saying once we break this level, I'm bullish. Okay. And I'm looking for us to break. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you this. So if you look to the left here, guys, you can also see that this is my futures pricing. So we'll go ahead to futures as well. Okay. So let's go to 930 on futures right here. Okay. So let's put our futures trigger as well. So go back. Our futures trigger was 41.8550. So I'm going to show you both ways. Okay. So there's our future trigger. There's our SPY trigger. So what are we trying to do here? We're trying to set a level. Once it breaks that level, we want to go long. We don't care about anything else. It allows us to be very simplistic. We trade either one long or one short. If it hits long, we go long. One trade, keep it simple. Okay. But the point of this is we get in the trade. It has a target and a stop loss, and we don't touch it. We could be doing anything in the world. We could be traveling the world. We could be sleeping. We could be doing whatever we want, and the trade will be automated. That's the key. Okay. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go do the position size tool. So our long entry was 415.49. Like I said, boom. Okay. What was our stop? 414.22. Just go do it like that. Okay. And then let's stretch this out to 1-to-1. All right. So go back into the Discord, the live commentary. Good morning, friends. Long trigger is 415.49. We may fill right at the open, so be ready. That's the key that I want to show you guys today. First 5-minute bar comes in, boom. So if you notice here, guys, this candle, it filled right at the open. We'll go down to a 30-second chart. Let's see it. Within the first 30 seconds, so this was probably 10 seconds. So 10 seconds. So within the first 10 seconds, we get filled. Let me ask you this. Can you be that fast? Hit me with a 1 if yes. Hit me with a 2 if you think no. Personally, I can't be that fast. If I did not put this order, if this order is not automated, there's almost impossible to get filled. Okay, so the order is already in the broker before the market opens. So as soon as it touches that level, it's automatically long. Okay, so filled long. So you'll see right here, I said long trigger, friends filled right away. Okay, and then from there, we'll go back to the 5-minute chart. You'll see right here, guys. Here's the first 5-minute bar. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Just like that. Okay, we'll keep going here. And you can see it went a lot higher, right? After that. And then finally over here was the reversal. Okay. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing with futures. So here's our entry. Let's measure the points. So the maximum points on the day here was about 16 points. So let's take it down to 10 points to be conservative. So 10 points, guys, that's $500 a contract. Hit me with a 10 if that's awesome. Okay, 10 points, $500 a contract within 30 minutes. Nothing wrong with that at all. Okay, so this is the power of automation. If you don't have it in there, guys, how are you going to get filled? How are you going to get filled? Right? And I have a few resources for you guys. So not only you can read right here, read this one right here. Okay, the video guide is here and everything. Right now is click on this guide here, and I will show you some tips and tricks. Okay, here. All right. So what I'm going to do. So here's the video where more right here, conditional orders. Okay. I'm going to copy. I'm lagging, aren't I? It's lag. I don't know why. Okay. So while that's loading up here, I'm going to copy that, paste that in here. Okay. We'll stick here. And the reason I want to direct you to this guy is when, if you want to do this with options and futures, if you want to do this with options, I feel like, yeah. Hold on a second, guys. My connection is bad. Hit me with a 1 if you can still hear me. All coming in bits and pieces. Shit. Hold on, guys. I'm going to swap out my internet real quick. Can you hear me? Apologize. I think I'm back. Okay, good. All right, guys. Anyways, so if you want to do this with options, then you want to do the conditional orders. And then there's the guide right here that I just sent you guys. And also watch this video right here under resources with conditional orders right here, how I entered this one. And then there's another one on the YouTube channel. So there's both. Okay. All right. So that was the key that I really want to share you guys with the 1A Day Trading University is the automation, with the fact that sometimes if you don't put the order in before, you're not going to get filled. And you want to go ahead and just make sure you put that in and you have all the resources there. All right, guys. So this is what we're going to do. So last week on our live stream, I'm just going to mention Tesla right now. Tesla is my #1 pick going into tomorrow. We have a very powerful inside bar. So I already posted Tesla in the YouTube for the members right here. So for free members, I posted Tesla. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. So Tesla is what I'm looking for tomorrow. Tesla, we nailed it last week for a few $1,000s with an inside bar. This one, it broke down. We made a lot of money. So another inside bar set up on Tesla. Hit me with a 5 if you like inside bars. So this is a really nice one going into tomorrow. So what I wanted to mention is last Friday, I did a live stream trading Tesla. I'm sure you've all seen the video by now. So if you guys want me to do another live stream video, just join the Trading Wars Army. Okay, guys? That's all I need right now. So we need 4 more people to join the Trading Wars Army. We had 1 person join yesterday. So 4 more people join the Trading Wars Army. How do you do that? Here's the video. Just click that join button. It's $4.99. You get premium content every single day. I post on YouTube, swing picks, different things, special stuff. Okay. So if we get 4 more people by Friday, I will go live again and hopefully get you guys another winner. Okay. The other thing that I want to know is if you guys want, I can do another interactive brokers video if you're still struggling and putting in the conditional orders. Just hit me with a like and leave a comment below if you want another interactive brokers video. That's it, guys. I'm good right off the bat. Let's take some questions because this is university, right? This is class. So go ahead and put some questions if you have any for me, and I'll answer. How do you set up take profit and stop loss using conditional order? So normally, if you're doing options, you have to put it in after. Okay, so that kind of sucks. That's why I like to use futures and I like to use shares because I can just add the target and the stop loss. But if you're doing options, from what I've seen, you have to after you get filled is the only time. Nvidia. So my brother wants us to look at Nvidia here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So Nvidia, nice breakout. So Nvidia was one of our plays back in the day, guys. So you can see this right here. This was when I had Nvidia as one of our picks. So I had this chart, this outside bar. Okay. So these outside bars are very, very powerful. Very powerful. So I called Nvidia out when it had that outside bar. Let me see if I can find it. 1 second. So don't sleep on those outside bars, guys. Don't sleep on that. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. See if I can find it. I gotta search it up. But yeah, anyways, guys, those inside bars, those outside bars are the key. Can we pay for the whole year? Yes, you can. There's an option. Just email rich@tradingwars.com. Could we have traded using TW setups? What do you mean by TW setups? Oh, like inside bars and stuff? Definitely. Yeah, you see right here. Here's a 5-minute chart for SPY. Okay, so let's end this replay. So you could see right up here, we had a beautiful inside bar. We had a holy grail. The patterns traded really well today. This is our Nirvana. This is our holy grail. This is our inside bar. These were really, really good. The bars worked really, really well today. So you prefer 272618 or 786 extension for a reversal on SPY. So let's look at this one today. Generally, once we go above the 272, that's when I'm looking for a reversal. However, if you see patterns, so I'll use this as an example. So if you see patterns, right, like up here, inside bar. So this is actually kind of scary because I taught you guys about the 272, guys, and look how beautiful that is. Hit me with a 20 if you see that. You see that 272 reversal? But what I was trying to say is not only do we get a reversal, but you could see the inside bar showing us that we're slowing down. You could see the holy grail, right? So those are the things that I look for in the reversals to take those reversals. This would have been a great 0 DTE puts play. You probably could have made 500% plus. Yes. How much margin for a small account future? For future, it's at least $2,000. Are you executing trades with IB directly? I interactive brokers directly. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this one. Sorry about the issues I had. Tradingwars.com. Check us out. We've been on a pretty big winning streak, and we're just trying to continue with May. I think the volatility in the stock market is going to increase just because April was such a tight month. So with that, I'm trying to make as much money as possible. Check us out, tradingwars.com. If you buy any one of my 3 books, you get 1 month for free, or you can sign up right here, my friends. If you're just looking to sign up for the room, you can sign up right here. Okay. Thank you so much. Comment, like, subscribe. Let's see if we can get some four people join the army so we go live on Friday. And the other thing I wanted to say was just let me know below if you want another interactive brokers video, or if you just want a live session, we can do that live. Otherwise than that, guys, thank you so much. And had a fun time. All right. I'll see you again. Take care.